Hi guys, and welcome back to another organizing video. I have been on an organizing kick, and today we are going to tackle the kitchen. The kitchen was so crazy. I literally felt like I was too cluttered, like I had too much on the countertop. So something that I really wanted to focus on for my kitchen was to declutter and get rid of stuff that I just don't need. You guys, I had pans that didn't have handles and I still was keeping them. So really letting go of stuff that is just no longer working. It's okay. You don't need that many pots and pans in reality. So I went through my drawers and my cabinets, and Leilani was part of the process and helping me out. And it was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. I will go ahead and show you guys kind of what we were going through now. We're going to take all of this stuff out. Look at this! Why am I holding on to this? Look at this pan. It's literally broken.
It's not
oh my God. Look at all this stuff. I'm gonna start picking through this stuff and getting rid of what I just don't need.
And see a scary
Look at how nice it looks when it's empty. Just looks so nice, and it doesn't stress me out. In most of my drawers, I'm using these Dollar Tree containers. They're the super long ones. This is what their label looks like. They're by the Essentials brand. They're drawer organizers and they fit perfectly in my drawers. So I'm using some to store some of my lighters. These are utensils for salads. It's more like plasticware. I have some of my utensils in here. Most of it is stainless steel, again using the Dollar Tree super long containers. Down here, I'm using this bin from the 99-cent store. I am storing my rice and some of my soup. I have a ton of Dollar Tree containers back there with random goodies. Some are still empty. And then these here are from the 99-cent store. And I still need to get some chalkboard labels and a chalkboard pen. So no worries. I am planning to label all of these things, but I wanted to share kind of the end result here. These are labeled. These are labels from the Dollar Tree. So this one says pasta shells. This one says pinto beans, but it's actually a mixture of beans. These are awesome little containers to organize in your kitchen. I just love them so much, and they're like pretty slim, so they fit nicely in my drawers. And I have a few extra ones that I haven't filled up, but I just love the look of this. On this bottom drawer, I'm just storing some of my Tupperware, and I'm using some of these. These down here are actually placemats, but I also love to use placemats as liners for, you know, organization and just making a space look cuter. So those are from Dollar Tree as well. They have a bunch of cute ones. I just happen to love this pattern. And then I do have some, most of these containers come from the Dollar Tree. So I do have some of those. Another one of a little fruit container. These are little glass containers from Dollar Tree, and I just absolutely love these. You should totally check these out. And I keep a little picture here. So that's what these drawers are looking like. So much more organized than before. Moving on to this side, I have not cleaned out my junk drawer. We'll do that in a separate video. Over here, I just basically keep just kind of like my wax paper, some bags, and aluminum foil. Nothing too fancy. Over here, I have kind of all of my little sandwich bags and little snack zipper bags, things like that. Here, I do have some trash bags, and this actually didn't fit in with the other stuff, so I keep some of my trash bags here in the bottom drawer, so nothing too crazy here. Here, like I said, I use these little trays for pretty much everything in my kitchen. They're just super handy. So I've got Leilani's forks and spoons and our forks and spoons in here. They just look super nice. I like the look of that. In here, I just keep some chip clips. I actually just did a favorites on my kitchen items. I will include a link up above if you want to check out some of my Dollar Tree kitchen favorites. So I need to unload those here. And then I've just got some bigger clips and some cute little measuring spoons and some like pot holders. So I just keep those there. These are all from the Dollar Tree. In here, I just keep some of my straws for my tumblers, and I just keep some little extras, like these are for baking, some little toothpicks and whatnot. In here, I have a can opener, some peelers. This is actually really good from Betty Crocker from the Dollar Tree. I actually think it works pretty good. And then I have this teal one from Dollar Tree as well. And this is like a little lemon squeezer. And I like this too, like it's a little spatula. So I keep all of that. Most of this stuff comes from Dollar Tree. This one comes from Dollar Tree as well. It's a little bottle opener. They had this around like Father's Day. Super cute and handy. I love how that looks. Super organized, right? Alright, down here, these are from Dollar Tree. They're just little foil containers. Those come in handy when baking. I have this for my tortillas and stuff, and then I have like my platters and stuff like that here. They're plastic, but they are from, I believe they're from the 99-cent store from Dollar Tree. I am a huge Dollar Tree lover. And then back there we have some stuff for like grilling, which we don't do too much of. Down here I keep some of my bigger items. So I have this pan and this pot. My mom actually gifted these to me and I love them so much. And then I just have a little section for if I need to set something down on the counter, I use one of those so that my counter doesn't get ruined. Over here, I did get rid of a ton of stuff that I just didn't need. It's pretty empty now. So I just have a couple pots and pans, nothing too crazy. That is what it's looking like, and I think it looks a lot better than it did before. So huge improvement, and I highly encourage everyone to do this. And over here is my sink organization. I did a whole video on this. I'll include a card up above if you want to check it out. All stuff from Dollar Tree. I just loved doing that. I had so much fun organizing. So as you can see, it was a mess, and it will seem really messy and really crazy, but once it's organized and once you get rid of stuff, you feel so much better, and it's so much easier to go in your kitchen, and it makes me want to cook. Honestly, I'm not a huge lover of cooking, but to have a clean kitchen, it literally makes me want to go in there and prepare myself a really nice meal. Most of the items that I use to organize come from the Dollar Tree, and it just looks so nice and neat and organized, which I love. Where I store my pots and pans, I was able to kind of store them and stack them in a way where it doesn't look crazy, and I just really like the end result. I love how I feel after I clean a really disorganized space. It's the best feeling in the world. So I did that, and it looks 10 times better. I definitely think that having less clutter on your counters really helps out a lot. I actually stored my toaster inside my cabinets. I put my crock pot away, NutriBullet. They all have a space now, so my counter doesn't look crazy cluttered anymore. I only really have a couple things here and there, and I'm okay with that. But if you really don't want to see anything, you can literally store everything inside the drawers, inside the cabinets, so you don't have any clutter on the actual countertops. So I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. And yeah, getting little bins from the Dollar Tree really helps out a lot. I'm using, like I said, the white little organizers, and I'm using that to organize everything in my kitchen. It's been amazing, and I feel so much better, so I wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, or what space you are organizing, or what project you are tackling. I'd love to hear it in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got some motivation to clean your kitchen and organize the space. It literally, guys, will make you feel better. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future organizing videos. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram over at SparkleOnForever. I will see you guys there, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!